So what is osteoarthritis of the knee? Osteoarthritis is a degenerative condition which progresses over time. It affects the lining of the knee joint, known as cartilage, but it can also affect the ligaments and the shock absorbers of the knee, leading to pain, swelling, and stiffness. It's a condition that really affects your life on a daily basis. Osteoarthritis has traditionally been thought of a condition in a much older population. However, patients will present from a much earlier age and often get overlooked. So if you are experiencing pain in the knee joint that has been going on for a period of time, that is affecting your ability to do your activity, it may be a condition like osteoarthritis of the knee. We currently have lots of exciting treatment modalities to try and help with those symptoms, and it may be something that you wish to get looked at.